Have you ever drawn a center rectangle in AutoCAD like this? If the answer is no, then today we will use ChatGPT to write a AutoLISP program and see how it works. So, what do you think, ChatGPT can do it or not? Comment below. And we will also find if ChatGPT works with 100% accuracy or not. So, this is Jitavo welcoming all to CAD MANIAC. Today I'll be teaching you about ChatGPT's uses in AutoCAD. ChatGPT is an AI language model designed for interactive conversations and providing responses based on input prompts. ChatGPT can assist in AutoCAD by providing quick and accurate information. It can answer queries about tools, commands, and techniques, helping users overcome challenges and improve their designs. With its natural language processing abilities, ChatGPT enhances the user experience and boosts productivity in AutoCAD workflows. We will be using AutoCAD 2024 version for this tutorial. So I have opened ChatGPT. Now I'll type write AutoLISP code to create center rectangle. Press enter. Whoa! It has generated an AutoLISP program within a few seconds and also mentioned the steps on how to use it. But see, here it asks to specify the corner points of the rectangle, but this is not what we wanted. We wanted to create a rectangle through its center. So what I'll do is, I'll use the chatbot and say, not through corner points. Want to create rectangle through its center. Press enter. It's seeking apologies. So be kind-hearted and accept ChatGPT's apology. It's rewriting the program and it's ready in about 3 to 4 seconds. Now this looks good as it asks to specify the center point of the rectangle. So I'll copy this code and I'll open AutoCAD 2024 version. Now I'll go to Manage tab. I'll click on Visual Lisp Editor under Applications panel. Click on New File. Paste the code copied from ChatGPT. Click on Load Active window. Close this console. Click on Activate AutoCAD. And then click on Save. Select a directory. Give it a file name. And then click on Save. And close the Visual Lisp Editor. Now to load the Lisp file, give app load command. Select the Lisp file from your directory. Click on always load and then click on load. Here you can see it has been successfully loaded. So close it. Now to create the center rectangle, I have to check the command for this. So you can see CR is the command for center rectangle. So I'll type CR and press enter. It says enter center point. So I'll type 0, 0, enter. Now I have to specify the width. So I'll type 10 and press enter. Next specify height as 5 and press enter. And it's done. Let's retry. Type CR again and press enter. Click at this point to specify center. Type width as 10, enter. Height as 5, enter. So, we have successfully created a center rectangle tool in AutoCAD using ChatGPT. Now, can I add a fillet to the center rectangle? Let's ask ChatGPT. Great. Can you add fillet option to the center rectangle? Superb. It's creating a new code. It looks nice. So we will test this program. I'll copy the code. Click on Visual Lisp Editor. I'll select the previous code and press Ctrl+V to paste the ChatGPT's new code. I'll save the file and click on Activate AutoCAD. Now I'll type CR and press enter. Specify center, width and height. No option to specify the fillet radius. So I'll type not working. So it creates another code. I'll copy this code and paste it over here and save. We'll try one more time. Type CR and press enter. Specify center, width and height. Now it asks to specify the fillet radius, but it's still not working. So we can regenerate the program and try again. But one thing we can conclude through this is ChatGPT isn't 100% accurate, but it will do wonders in the years to come. And you will need to have the understanding of the LISP programming so that you can edit the program and run it. So we'll end the tutorial here. I hope you guys have learned something new today. So everybody stay healthy, stay safe, bye bye.